Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Cold front now spilling into the I-30 corridor, and that is triggering some scattered thunderstorms this morning. So if you live near and north of I-30, especially in northeast Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, that's where you'll kind of see these scattered storms this morning. Will be some thunder and lightning, and there's low-end potential that we could see some hail pop up with a few of the storms today, and likely we'll see this cold front push through the rest of the Arklatex tomorrow. So increasing storm chances over the next day or two here. And temperature-wise, big changes today. You can see most of us in the 50s and 60s this morning. High temperature map I'll show you in just a moment. We do have a little fog south of I-20 down near Toledo Bend, but fog is not a significant issue for us today. But you can see the pattern change for the northern Arklatex after a couple of days near 80 to start out the week. You'll be in the 50s and 60s today. You'll notice Shreveport, basically I-20 and southward, we've got another warm, humid day where those temperatures will push close to 80 degrees or so. But this warm air kind of running into that cold front creates a lot of uplift, and that uplift is what's giving us those scattered storms again this morning. With the front basically stalling out here, we will see that chance of some on and off rain, especially for the northern Arklatex throughout the day today. So taking a look at a couple of the computer models, you can see the high resolution one that updates every hour does show the rain pushing as far south as I-20, so we can't rule out maybe a few scattered showers or storms in Shreveport midday today, but we should see a gradual downturn in the amount of rain by the afternoon today, and we'll go ahead and show you the severe weather possibilities for us. Basically just into Red River and McCurtain counties is where we can see some of that hail today, and then with the front pushing through the rest of the Arklatex tomorrow, we're in that level 1 marginal risk. So basically what that means, it would be an isolated storm or just kind of a rogue thunderstorm that may produce either some large hail or a high wind gust, and that would mainly be Thursday into Thursday night. We're not going to see a severe weather outbreak, and the threat of seeing any tornadoes is very low, but we'll have to be mindful of some hail over the next day or two. So taking a look at your Robin's Day future cast, you'll notice how this kind of lines up with the other forecast model and showing the rain kind of staying in the northern Arklatex today. But this is our in-house model, and it actually does push a little rain down into Shreveport this afternoon, but there will definitely be an uptick as far as the rain late tomorrow. You can see Thursday night into Friday morning is when we'll see this system move through, and this is when we'll see most of the rainfall that's associated with it. And it looks like there could be quite a few areas that pick up maybe half an inch to an inch of rain. Still expecting the corridor of heaviest rain will be north of I-30, and we're now showing some of these areas maybe picking up 2 inches of rain, Ida, Belle, Queen. So I can't rule out some roadway flooding there, especially with that final push of rain coming in late Thursday, early Friday. But we will cool down a bit as that rain tapers off pretty quickly Friday morning. So dry weather most of the day Friday, and dry weather all day Saturday, but we've got another little quick moving front that will come through on Sunday. I actually think there may be at least some potential to see some strong to severe storms Sunday, mainly just wind and hail. There won't be a lot of rain out there, so we're watching that on Sunday, and then much cooler as we'll drop into the 60s next Monday and Tuesday, and it looks like it is going to stay cooler for much of next week.